How to change language preference in Coursera. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change the language preference in Coursera. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So in order to change the language preference in Coursera, head over to Coursera application, open it up. And once you open it up, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So in order to change your language, it is very easy. In the bottom in your dashboard, you'll be finding different options available. Go ahead and locate the option called Profile in the fourth. And once you're here, on the top right corner, you can find a gear icon. Tap on it to open up your settings. Once opened up, scroll down a bit and in the middle, you'll be finding language option. So go ahead and tap on this change preferred language. And in order to do that, you need to open up your settings. Open it up and you'll be finding different languages available. So if you want to change your language to Spanish, Espanol for a reason, you can just go ahead and select it. And once that is done, you can find it language has been changed. If you want to change it back to English, go to the settings again and go to English and you can find your language being changed again. So that is how you change your language, preferred language in Coursera. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video and we will see you on the next one.